Hello friends, today let's see how packaging is done in Odoo 14. So basically there are three type of packaging. So the first one is used to create a pack for a particular product that contain multiple units. So in this way you can create a multiple package for a single product. Then in a second case is used to create a pack that contain different products. And then third case is about delivery packaging. So let's create one package in detail. So let's open cell module. In product, let's create package for product pen. So under the inventory module you can see a packaging. So from here you can create a package by clicking add a line. So I create a package of pen bunch of 10 and set quantity as 10. So I create one package that contain 10 pencil, and from here you can also set barcode for your product, and then you can also set a company. So save and close. I also create second package bunch of 5 and contain quantity set as 5. Let's create one sell order. So from here you can see the two packages that we created, bunch of 10 and bunch of 5 are available. So I click on bunch of 10. So here you can see a message, the product is packaged by 10 units, you should sell 10 units. So I change the quantity set as 10, then save, then confirm. So here you can see the reserve quantity set as 10. So this is the first package method in which you can pack same product but in multiple units. So let's see second package. In this package you can pack multiple products in a single package. So let's create one sell order. So add product pen, and second product I add pencil. So I choose two different products. Let's save, then confirm. So from here you can see a button put in pack. So from here you can also give the name of your package, or otherwise you can put this product in the existing package. So I give package name package 1. I also give name same as package 1. So I pack two products in single package, then save. And after validate, in packaging you can see your both products are packed in same package 1. So let's see the third one. In delivery package. So let's open inventory module. So from here you can also see your package that we created, package 1, pen and pencil. In inventory module you can also see your packages. So let's create delivery package. So here you can give your package type name. So I give delivery pack 1, delivery pack 2, and from here you can choose your carrier. So I choose DHL. Then you can give height, width or length to your package, and then maximum width, barcode, package code. You can also give as you want. So I give height 120 to my package, and maximum weight is 100 kg. So after save, you can see this package type in packaging. Let's add it. From here package type, you can see our package that we created, delivery pack 2, that we give height as 120 and width and weight is 100. So I give this package type as delivery pack 2 and then save. So these are three type of packaging we see: product packaging, delivery package and package in inventory module Odoo 14. Thanks for watching video.